सीना जोड़ी। प्रताप सारंगी उड़ीसा के सांसद के साथ जो कांग्रेस के राहुल जी के लोगों ने धक्का मुक्की किया है, वो गिर गए, बेहोश हो गए। और ये गुंडागर्दी होती है। कांग्रेस ने आज गुंडागर्दी की है। बाबा साहेब से तो माफी मांगना ही चाहिए, देश से माफी मांगना ही चाहिए, लेकिन ये गुंडागर्दी राजनीति में नहीं होनी चाहिए। जो किसी बीजेपी के सांसद को आपने धक्का मुक्की कर दिया, प्रताप सारंगी को, छी 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 छी।
दादा उस समय आप भी उस सीढ़ी पे ही मौजूद थे।
और क्या, ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है ये घटना।
Very sad to see that on the steps of the parliament someone is getting injured. This is a session that is very dear for everyone, and the main reason being it's the 75th year of constitution being implemented, being brought into place, and we are celebrating this as this journey of 75 years of glorious journey that has happened. And this journey has happened because of Ambedkar ji, who has been the drafting committee chairman, and he was instrumental in bringing such a great constitution and one of the largest constitution anywhere in the world. He has brought this with all his experience of what he has gone through, what the discrimination he has gone through. With that experience, he made sure that no Indian citizen should face the discrimination. With that thought process, he has got this constitution 75 years back. It is a celebration of constitution. It is a celebration of Ambedkar ji and his life. So when this celebration is going on, every party across, there's no politics in this. Every party should come on board, and every party should participate in this celebration. And there's a discussion also that has happened for 2 days in the parliament celebrating this and mentioning the greatness of our constitution by various members of the parliament. So when this celebration is happening, incidents like this, what has happened today on the steps of the parliament, is very unforgiving.